Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naturally Timmy, and no, this is not my hair. This is actually a wig that I've received from Hergivenhair, and I'm going to let you guys know the specs and how I got these curls to pop and all that good stuff. So yeah, just keep on watching. So first things first, this is how the hair and everything came in a black box, and it has a pull-out tab for you to pull out, and it has everything in there. So it has this, which is a silk line headband. It just protects your hair from the roots to end. If you have weave in, or even if your real hair, with your real hair, if you want to protect it, then you can use it for that, and that's how it looks. And then it has clips and bands for your wig in case you want to make it tight or you want to customize it. And then it has a sample book of other textures. So if you're not sure what texture wig you want, you can order this sample book separately so you can get a understanding of what you want. I got the Curls Always Popping unit, and this is about like 3B hair. So it's not the kinkiest, but it's not the loosest. And this is me cutting off the little bit of lace that it has. I don't know too much about wigs, but the thing I like about this wig is that a lot of it is pre-done for you anyway, so there's not a bunch of manipulation or things that you would have to do to make the wig look nice. So this is how the hair comes straight out of the pack. I never wear it straight out of the pack because it just looks somehow, and so I use my favorite conditioner, Tresemme, to just co-wash the hair. And this is me co-washing the hair. I'm just running my hands through it. I make sure that I drench it with water before I even put the conditioner in there, and then I run my fingers through it. It's pretty easy to run my fingers through it. I did not catch a lot of snags, and you'll see that I did not get a lot of shedding either. So it's really good if you want a wig that's going to last a long time, because the shedding is minimal. And so I'm just using the comb to just further detangle it. It just glides right through. And this is how it looks wet. I'm just taking the oil and I'm putting it in the hair while it's wet, just to tame frizz while it's drying. Then I'm also going to put a styler. The style I'm using is by Jane Carter's Solution, but you can use any styler you want. It really doesn't make a big deal. It's just something to help make the curls pop while it's drying as well. So yeah, just to define the curls. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm not sectioning it. I'm just just slapping it on and rubbing it in. These curls look really nice, as you can see, and that's why I made sure that I co-washed it, because I wanted the curls to really loosen up and take their real curl pattern rather than how it would look straight out the box. And as you saw in that clip previously, I did not get a lot of shedding. And then I'm going to let it air dry for a day and then come back. So this is a day later. This is air dry, and as you can see, the curls are really defined. So I think a styler really helped. And this is me just trying to cut the bangs more since they were so long. Now I know nothing about cutting, and I know I'm not supposed to use these scissors, but you do what you gotta do. I didn't think that the shears that I got for hair were really gonna do much, and I just grabbed the first scissors that I saw. So yeah, I'm just fluffing it out and cutting any piece that I think needs to be cut, like the bang, and then creating like a short layers. And after the cut, it's just done. You just fluff it up, and in the next clip you see how it looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I absolutely love this wig. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this wig, and I'll put all the information in the description box. Again, this is the Curls Always Popping wig in the 16 inches, and yeah, I decided to go ahead and put it in a ponytail as well, just to show you guys how versatile it is. So this is it in a ponytail, and yeah, I really enjoy this wig and can see me wearing it out all the time. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.